by the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in it, gave proof through the night that your flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home